Well, the primer dried and I had a little bit of time to work on this week, so I thought I'd give you a view of some of the imperfections on this car prior to me doing any more body work. Right down through here, as you can see, it's not straight, and if you zoom in, it actually has some cracking there that I'm going to have to fix. Second thing is the fender wells. If you stand back and look at the fender wells, they're not shaped the same way. So I had kind of made a decision to cut off a little bit of the back, right back here, to make it shaped like the front, but I think I've changed my mind and I'm going to add material to the front fender wells to shape them more like the back. I have a notch right here that I'm going to have to fill, and a notch over here on this side where I'm going to have to fill. There's a spot on the front bumper up here that needs some filling. I have a low spot on the hood right here. And the factory body lines that sink into the door, I'm really tempted to go ahead and shave them so this just comes down completely smooth. The rear taillight area in the back, I do not think are shaped the same. I think this one is wider than this one. I have some raised areas right here that need to be sanded smooth, and the flares for the headrest are a little misshapen also. Hopefully today I have time to hit up a hobby shop that has some strip plastic so I can add some material to this. I'm also pondering on what type of motor I need to put in this car, and I'm thinking of going electric and not having to cut open a hood area or front. Basically keep this all smooth. I feel that an electric motor could be accessed from underneath of the vehicle if it's put up on a lift. So why have this hood open? Please excuse the background noise, but it's cooking today, so I got the AC running. Just recently left Rail Tails in Charlottesville, Virginia, which was a little bit more than an hour drive for me. I got what I needed today, some stripped styrene, and I bought myself another model, of course. Yeah, I got a Mobius 65 Ford pickup. It had the price tag of $35.99 on it, so I picked it up. I got some Ken's fuzzy fur, and I got some stripped styrene. Now, see if I can get working on it tonight. So, since I went to the model store and spent a little money, let's go over the budget. And these items right here were already paid for, and I believe I had $12.50 in all of this. These were $4.17 and $3.79. Hopefully these axles will work for the wheels. And I scavenged this out of my junk box. It's a piece of tubing. My idea is to make an electric Tesla style motor. Maybe dual. So my friend was planning on making a model of his own car, and he needs black carpet, so I picked this up for him. I had to add this to my stash.